I woke up in the morning and the first thing I thought, how can I make money? Then I remember, okay, I made some good money. Yeah, last 2 days, $2,000, $1,000 commission for each sale. Pretty cool stuff. Then I looked at some more money into my account and it looked really good, $99,000. Not bad at all, but how can I make some more money? Passive income.
You can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per day from affiliate marketing.
Epic is in the description. It's free to start. Go grab it right now and use it. First I came to YouTube. I'm the YouTube guy and search with passive income. Hit enter. And I found all these awesome videos. I loved it. First I saw this one. Passive income $100 per day. If I earn like 5 more passive income, $500 per day, that will be $2,500 per day. Pretty cool. So I got greedy and I opened his profile. And the first thing I saw, every day making videos. You call this passive income? Alright, forget about it. Just make some more money. So I went to Google and searched with how to make more money. And I came across this article. 34 ways to make extra money. Well, if I make $100 from each way, that will be $3,400 per day extra. I'm rich, dude. The first one is tutor online. I gotta teach those students sitting online on Zoom calls for hours with those dumb asses. Let's pass. Okay, $100 less, $3,300 from the rest of the 33. Let's do this. Become a user experience tester. All right, I'm gonna do this later. Take surveys. Have you ever tried surveys? You have to answer hundreds of survey questions and they come back over and over again, the same question. And chances are at the end of the survey, they will say something went wrong, you have to try again. And in most of the times you will not even earn money, you will earn points that you can redeem on those platforms. Come on, get cash back from apps. Okay, so they're taking my money and they're gonna give back to me. Pass. Teach English. By the skin color and my accent, do I look like English is my strongest skill? Oh man, how can I make more money? Got an idea. Let's have a look at how this website makes money. So the first thing you do, copy the URL and go to a website called similarweb.com. This is a spy website and they have a lot of information. Go and put the URL. Don't hit enter. Wait for this one to populate here and then click. This is important. Boom, dude, we got some more money. Look at this. Ramsey Solutions, $100 million to $200 million per year. So where are they making all this money from? These articles alone, and definitely all these links are affiliate links. And this is such a boring, complete text article. Who reads that? Honestly, very few. Then this money looks really fishy. And they have 5.3 million visitors. Alright, this is the time we look at where all the visitors are coming from. So go to their marketing channel. Looks like they have a lot of referral traffic. Referral traffic is only possible when they have applications like softwares installed in their website. Okay, if you want this kind of software, link is in the description. You go get one free. So if you look at their website, you see some free tools and there are some assessment tools, calculators, etc. We want to know more in details. So let's go to Uber Suggest. Mosh, where are you going? I want to learn how to make more money. I'm going to money. Wait for me. Don't go now. You will watch another funny cat video and you will see some very bad girl dancing in questionable outfit. Don't waste your time. Stay here. I'll show you money. You go to Uber Suggest, go to traffic estimation and go to top pages by traffic. Here you put the same domain and click search. Now you know everything. Look at this. See, this article is giving them the maximum traffic. And the second one, I told you, tools. People love to use calculators. The mortgage calculator gets 397,000 visitors per day. If you compare this with our money, we make $1.19 per visitor. So they are making approximately $400,000 from all these visitors. Click here and you will end up in a mortgage calculator. By the way, I put a mortgage calculator for free in the description. Go grab it, use it, and get all this traffic. Now I want to see more where is the social traffic coming from because it's so easy. So I will click on this F that will filter all the Facebook shares. Now look at this. Should I quit my job quiz? Should you quit your job? You can quit your job when you have a replacement. And for that you should watch this video to the full because I'm gonna show you how to quit your 9 to 5 or at least start a side hustle. So should I quit my job quiz? If you take this quiz, you'll see all these questions. You keep next, answer, and at the end, either it will ask you to share this page with your social media or will ask you to sign up to their email list. And that's how people make money, more money. By the way, if you don't have an opt-in page yet or squeeze page yet where you can ask people for emails, then don't worry. Link in the description will give you Cash Zpresso. It's free to start. Cash Zpresso is my software. It turns any PDF into your opt-in page without using opt-in page. And that PDF will work as a lead magnet as well. We made a special software for ourselves. You can get it free. Link is in the description. Now let's make more money. We are here to make more money and we are digging so deep inside that's taking us to millions of dollars. Now there is a huge search engine traffic that comes from content. So I'm going to steal their content. 34 ways is too hard work, I can see, but I can easily steal legally. Mosh, you're a Muslim guy. Muslims don't steal. I know my hands will be chopped off if I do. So I can use artificial intelligence to rewrite this whole thing. So I'm gonna copy the whole thing, page down, copy, select the whole thing, go boom, boom, copied, Control C. And now I'll go to my most favorite artificial intelligence software, Jasper. It's free to start, link is in the description, go grab it right now, don't wait. I'll go to Summarizer. I love this. This will help me rewrite the content just like. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna generate summary in one click. You see this? Now takes the summary, copy and go to the templates and go to one shot blog post. Put this summary here, copy another one, also put it here, copy another one, also put it here to give it some more ideas and then generate. Now look at this beauty. I have 3 long articles ready to make money for me. What I'm gonna do is show you how I'm gonna make more money. Now look at this. 3 complete long form article ready to make money for me. And I'm gonna show you now how I make more money. I like this one, 10 ways to make extra money. First I'm gonna copy it and go to Quora. And I see all these guys are laughing at me. They think they are the only crazy ones. Do you know why they're laughing? I think they have been searching to make more money, but they couldn't find it yet. All they found is how to work harder, become a better actor, more audition, more movies, more Amber Heard, and make money. No, dudes, we're gonna laugh our way to bank. Just watch and see. I will search how to make more money on Quora. By the way, in case you live in Mars and you are an alien, and for any crazy reason you don't know about Quora, Quora has around 1 billion visitors per month. And these guys keep asking questions and people come back, answer questions. And whenever you see somebody's asking a question, other guy answered the question and that answer got views like these, 64,000 views. You can imagine how much money you can make from 64,000 views. Use a calculator and calculate yourself. Do some work, dude. No passive income. Okay, go back to Quora. I want to also know about this guy to get some inspiration. And so far he answered only 32 questions and got total 221,000 content views. If everything went well, from this calculation we can say theoretically he made more than $230,000. As more money is not bad. I'm gonna take it. So I'm going to click simple answer and answer the question. But remember, these little weird things like blog body, blog introduction, just remove them. Blog title, no. I'm gonna make it a little bold. Tutoring online, okay. Bold it, little more bold. Oh, this looks messy, so I'm gonna keep 7 here. Hit enter, make it bold, little boom boom here. Good job. Another one, 9, looks good. Bold. And I found number 10, make it bold. I'm gonna remove these links because I don't want people to go to other websites. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do, I put my link here with a little bit of intro. So I get the first clicks clicks on my links. All right, I'm gonna make it bold, and this is my website link, by the way, and it's a software that makes videos without using camera and microphone. It's free to start, link is in the description. Now I'm going to post it, boom boom, my job is done. But that's not all. I'm a video guy, so I'm gonna make videos for TikTok and for YouTube. So look at this. Yesterday I made a video on TikTok and got 80,000 views. Another video 1,000 views. Another video just uploaded 100 views. So there is nothing called passive income. There is active income. From these videos, so far we generated 1,000 leads. And I'm not gonna talk about money, by the way. What I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna copy this article and go to my artificial intelligence software Epic that makes videos for us. So it's gonna be 10 ways to make money, and I'm gonna make it vertical. Click create. Vertical because this video will be used on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can see blank canvas. This is an artificial intelligence software. It can write script using artificial intelligence, but we don't need it. We have Jasper. All free to start, link is in the description. Epic comes with 2.7 million royalty-free images to use in your video. And Epic turns text into videos. Let me show you. Go to the text section, click copy and paste text. Paste here, job done. Do you see paragraphs? All these paragraphs will turn into tiny bite-sized videos. On your right hand side you see only one section, but the moment I click submit, each paragraph will turn into each section or each slide. Now if I go to the first one, you see 10 ways to make extra money. Go to image and search for money, and let's say I want to use this image here. Now I can play with it, I can rotate it, I can enlarge it, or do anything I want to make it looks nice. Make this text bigger, change the text font if I want, or color if I want, or do whatever I want. I'm not gonna go to that. I'm going to go to the next slide, click save changes. By the way, this Epic is free to start, link is in the description in case you forgot, because you're thinking about money. Where is the money coming from? If you don't watch the rest of the video, you will never know. So keep watching. Alright, this is the first paragraph and it talks about affiliate marketing. Let's use something like this, and I'm gonna show you something interesting. We want to add voiceover. So copy this text and go to the audio section. Now you have all three options to add a voiceover if you want. You can upload your voiceover if it's already ready in your hard drive, or you can directly record from your microphone using this button, or use text to audio. Click add, give it a title like affiliate. Choose quality, choose your favorite voiceover, and put your text here. Click submit. In a matter of split second, your voiceover is ready in the text to audio section. Now let's play.
You can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per day from affiliate marketing. Get our AI software and free training from here. Get Epic free now.
Epic is in the description. It's free to start. Go grab it right now and use it. Okay, this way I'm gonna finish all the sections, and if you are lazy like me or busy like me, just click the save button right here to save your work. Come back later, add more sections, finish your work, then click this render button and your video will be rendered in the background. Then you will get an email once it's ready. Download it, upload it to TikTok just like this, and get free views. Now you might be thinking, Mosh, you make videos with camera and you are telling us to make videos with image, because making videos with camera is not possible for 20+ channels, and that's what we run. Get all the clicks just like this and make all the money. And it was only possible because we have Epic. We can make videos without using camera and microphone. So if you are camera shy, this is for you. If you're lazy like us, this is for you. If you want more money, Epic is for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Remember to upload your videos on YouTube as well. YouTube Shorts is super crazy right now. Look at this, hundreds of thousands of views on each videos, because YouTube is in contest with TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels. So they're all publishing these short videos called Shorts or Reels or TikTok. So make video once, publish everywhere, get views, clicks, and more money. Please go make it. There is nothing called passive income, but there is definitely called easy more money. That's it for today. I showed you everything, and in case you don't know, we use the same process. And look at this, from Quora we got some good number of views. These are all traffic. This traffic are buying from us and making us all the money. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, the fun way. Hit the like button if you didn't yet. Don't be a conjuice. Hit the like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we'll see you in the next next one. By the way, in case you share this video with your friends and family, they will love you more. So this way you make money more and you get love more. More win. Go share this video.